Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Webtoon Premium. Subscribing to Webtoon Premium gives you early access to episodes, ad-free reading, and other exclusive benefits. First of all, launch Open Webtoon application on your device and log into your account. From the home page, tap the My button at the bottom right corner to open up the My Series tab. Now go to the top right section and tap the three dots to open up the More menu. Click on Settings from the More menu. Now go to the top of the screen and look for My Webtoon Premium and tap on it. If there is any active premium plans, it will be listed on this page. If you want to explore premium plans in the coin shop, you can tap on Go to Coin Shop, and inside the coin shop, scroll down to Webtoon Premium and select your package from the menu. If you want bonus coins every month, ad-free reading experience and Webtoon shop coupons, you can select the first package. For bonus coins every month, ad-free reading in originals and browsing, episode discounts and Webtoon shop coupons, select the second one. You can also go ahead and find other premium subscriptions from the menu. Select the one that suits your requirement and click on Proceed Purchase. Select your preferred payment method on the next page, whether it is Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit or debit card or local payment options, and make sure your payment method has sufficient funds. Once it is done, confirm the subscription and complete any authentication if prompted. Once confirmed, your account will have premium status and then get early episodes, enjoy ad-free content, and access any other perks included in your subscription. So that is how you can easily subscribe to Webtoon Premium in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.